Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to refund game after 14 days and 2 hours playtime in Steam. So first you just have to simply go to their Steam support, go to a web browser and then type Steam support and click the very first link here that you can see. Under Steam support you have to scroll down and look for purchases, tap this one and make sure that you're logged in to your Steam account to proceed. So let's just say these are the games that you have purchased on your Steam and you want to select that specific game that you want to ask for a refund. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is again tap purchases. Once you have logged in, look for that game here, for example, this one. So once you tap the name of the game, you will see the information of that game, also the amount that you have paid, and the amount that you would like to ask for a refund. So here, this is the cost, and you have to click this. I would like a refund. Tap this one. Once you tap this, then it will take you directly to another page. Here, select I would like to request a refund. Tap this one. So let's just say this is the game that you would like to ask for a refund. And as you can see, refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old or have significant playtime. So if it's more than 14 days old, then disregard your request. They will not entertain this one. So if it's less than 14 days, and then you can now choose your refund method. And let's just say you want to refund to your ideal. Okay, so you have tapped this one and all you have to do is to recheck. Okay, so let's just say you're okay with it. And the next thing to do now is to give them the reason why you want to ask for a refund. Let's just say computer doesn't meet the system requirements. Tap this and then give them the note. You can go to ChatGPT to ask for a help to create a message for you. All you have to do is to change the game title, copy this one, go back to Steam, send, and then submit your request. Wait for a couple of days or weeks, we don't know, but once they have received it, they will respond to your email address. All you have to do is to check your email address from time to time, follow the instruction. By then, you can get the refund from that specific game. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.